Joining me, superstar and now a BJP leader, Mithun Chakraborty. Sir, from extreme left politics to left, to the official left, to the Trinamool Congress, and now to the BJP, this must have been quite a journey for you.
First of all, I'm not a leader, so there I hold myself correct on this.
Okay.
I mean, of course, in my beginning years,
You're humble.
in the beginning years, of course, I was very strongly involved. Even those days, I remember I did not know whether I'll come back in the evening or not. I believed in that, and still believe it. I want to fight for poor people. I want to give them their right. I want to give them that people should respect. Just because you are poor, you have no standing. That's against me. Second, I never been a communist member, but I was definitely a supporter of Jyoti Basu and Subhash Chakraborty. Because they are the people, they always done something for the people. And I always stood by them. If you see my what you call past, I have stood by people whether he is Congress, whether he is Shiv Sainik, or he is somebody else, or forward block even. I have stood by them. There are not many people they do not know. The Kuch Bihar Cancer Hospital, on the request of Kamal Guha, is a forward block man. I've been there. So people do not mess up. Now third is the Trinamool. Yes. But I never asked for anything to anyone. Mamata Di that time asked me to do. Before that also she asked me. I said no that time. I did it and I left it. It's only because of it is my fault. I don't want to point a finger at anyone. Whoever wants to say bad thing, naturally good thing they will not say. But let them enjoy.
That's
Let them
politics,
enjoy.
sir. That's politics.
I said, let them enjoy. I have nothing. I don't want to lose my energy on that.
Right. But you said Trinamool Congress was a mistake. Do
Yes,
you-
I said not. I said my decision was a mistake.
Right.
I did not say Trinamool was
No, your decision to be with
I
the
think
Trinamool.
my decision, I thought something and I thought it may, but then I found it may not. That doesn't mean I am pointing a finger at anybody.
I understand.
I think it's my mistake and whatever was said.
And now with the BJP, where do you want to intend to take your politics?
Yes, and BJP, why BJP?
Yes.
You can say good or bad for the party, that's your choice. But I myself feel constantly when you do something again and again and with a good heart and intention to do good, I find myself there. At least this party is trying to do something for the poor. And constantly trying. Prime Minister is trying constantly. Something or this, something. You may call it a politics. But okay, even through politics, even do good things for the poor. I'm there.
Many people remember Mithun Chakraborty in various avatars. My personal fond memory of Mithun Chakraborty on the silver screen is, of course, your 1976 debut as Ghinua in Mrinal Sen's Mrigaya. Now, when I remember that character, a hunter, a tribal, a hunter, that man with a fire in his heart. And today, when I see you, talking on the stage at Brigade Parade Ground, you call yourself a cobra. With one bite, you can finish off your opponent. Are you reliving your hunter image?
You have mentioned Mrigaya. Minalda, I'm grateful to him because he created me. And always my head will be down in front of him. But have you seen Ghinua's eyes? Look at his eyes.
Piercing.
It is not only piercing, it's the eyes of a snake. I call myself a cobra because I don't want to do compromise politics. I'm very straight on this.
And who do you want to bite, sir?
It is not personal.
Okay.
It is not at all personal to anybody. I just want to say, now stand wherever you are.
Okay.
I jol dhoda unoi bele ba ami jat kokra. I do not do compromise politics.
Right.
The time has come now.
Right.
It is the people of Bengal is going to bite you now.
Okay. And you would be participating in BJP's campaigns.
Of course.
What's the plan? How do we? What can we expect from Mithun Chakraborty in the days ahead as an election campaigner?
Honorable, our beloved Prime Minister I met him. He called me for 15 minutes. You talked to me, and he given me some guidelines. He says, take these to the people. That is going to be a government for everyone. It will be a just government, not for somebody or somebody or somebody. It will be a just government. And that's what I'm looking for. It's a just government.
Right.
And then second thing he said, make everybody together a golden Bengal again. And I want to part of this journey.
So you are the face as far as BJP star power is concerned, sir. In Bengal, undoubtedly, in fact, all the parties taken together, you are the biggest star power that the BJP has right now, for that matter, even within all the other political parties. Now, when you go and hit the roads, those heat and dust that you will have to face in this sweltering summer climate, what will you tell the people?
Only one thing. I've said, I went on stage, I said, have faith in me, believe me. I'm going to take the dust for you. I'm ready. For the people of Bengal, I'm ready to do anything. I want to see them rise.
Right.
I always chase dreams, sir. At 18 years old, I saw this dream.
Right.
And today I think it may happen. And if it happens, I want to die peacefully. And I'm going to go on the road, I'm going to take the dust, I'm going to take the heat, only with one thing in my mind, please Bengal rise again.
And how soon can we see you in the campaign? In the next few days?
I think Sir told me, start on 12th.
Okay, so from 12th of March.
Yeah, he said that is the Dandi March day, I want you to start that day.
Excellent. So when you talk about your on the stage, we heard you talk about your humble beginnings from Kolkata. You talked about your roots in Kolkata. You talked about your childhood and the place where you stayed, and you talked about the Kanagoli, the dead end road. When you were reliving those years, your formative years, as Mithun Chakraborty, you were probably known as Gaurango at that point in time. Was it an attempt to establish your roots here in Bengal to the people at the Brigade Parade ground? Were you trying to say that here I am, son of the soil, not an outsider?
Well, I think the people know that I'm a son of the soil. And
were you trying to assert it?
No, if you see, again I'm telling you to go back my past. I have never turned my face away for anything for Bengal. Right. You see that the point is, even in this lockdown, my father died. Right. And I couldn't go there because I was stuck in Bangalore. Right. It was very painful to me. I did not say goodbye to my father. But I told my father, we'll meet again. But being there, I sent food to all the district. Was there a politics there? No, no. There's no politics. So that's me. For Bengal, I was always there. My roots, I've never forgotten. I get scared. I said, oh my God, if it happens again, how would I give it to my children? I still am scared because it was so cruel. I mean, I can't tell you. What I said is, I coming from it's a dream to me. It's the world's biggest democracy, and in that democracy, I'm sharing the platform with the greatest democracy's biggest leader. What can be a bigger dream fulfill, isn't it? Yeah. And then he tells me, come with me, I want to speak to you.
Last question to you, sir.
No, I will not finish. You know what I said? Why I mentioned that? I'm coming, the lane, it is closed, both sides. I had to write 20C Mothusen Garden Lane, bracket, Jorabagan Thana Pechone, means back of the jaw. Otherwise, postman is to get... so if it is from a nothing, if you have a dream and with a heart, if I am reached here, I want to tell people, have faith in me. If I am telling you, I am going to be with you. I'm going to be with you. I'm going to be there with you.
And you're sure to keep your word.
I'm going to do that.
My last question to you, sir. We've watched MLA Phatakesto, we've watched Minister Phatakesto. Those dialogues are there for everyone, most popular ones. But those were characters. You were the hero in those films. You played those films for us. You played those characters for us on the silver screen. Is there a chance, even an outside chance? And let me ask you this. In real life, is there a chance of seeing Chief Minister Phatakesto? Well, of course, that's Mithun Chakraborty.
I know, okay, but I'll tell you something very frankly. I'm not running away from the question.
Of course.
I'm a man of protocol. I believe in protocol. I'm a crow just landed on a branch. There are leaders, Dilip Da, Kailash ji, and so on, so on. So many leaders. From the beginning, they are BJP. Today, they have come to make a BJP what it means, BJP to Bengal. And I will not do anything till it comes through protocol to protocol to protocol to protocol. To answer this question, I have to go through protocol, otherwise I won't answer.
Sir, you've perhaps answered the question as candidly as possible. It was a pleasure talking to you, Mithun Chakraborty. Thank you so much for talking to CNN News 18, sir. Thank you so much.